It is said that Diwali brings prosperity, abundance, wealth, etc. in our life. People light lamps, deepaks, and make the environment so beautiful with full of lights. But what I believe is these all lights which you are seeing outside are symbolic of inner lamp which is to be lit. And once you understand how to lit the inner lamp, then there is no ignorance. People think by removing all the darkness of this world, life can become very beautiful. But I say to you, unless you light the lamp within, you cannot eliminate the darkness of ignorance. Fortunately, today is 14th November, which is considered to be the Children's Day. If you see a child, he is so playful, living moment to moment, with no worry of past and future. He is just present in the now. A beautiful childhood. Children are so beautiful, so pure, so innocent. And then there is a second childhood, when you are no more child, but there is a childhood within. When you experience that, you feel so joyful, so beautiful. Yes, you are no more child, but there is awareness, there is innocence, there is purity. And with these qualities, you eliminate all the darkness, and all the darkness no longer serves you when you experience this state. And all the enlightened beings are in this second childhood. So just be a child, and then you all can experience the kingdom of God, which is not outside, which is inside. And then there is no need to impress any gods and goddesses, because you yourself will become a god, and the godliness will be around you, and that will be the real Diwali. So wishing you a wonderful Diwali to all of you.